Hello guys, how to fix if your iPhone showing wrong date and time on your iPhone? And if you are facing such issue, tap on settings, tap on general, and here go to date and time and make sure that set automatically is enabled on your iPhone. If your problem not fixed, then again tap on settings and go to privacy and security. Here location services. Make sure that this feature is duly enabled on your iPhone. The next method is again tap on settings, go to general, tap on general, scroll down, tap on date and time, and disable set automatically time and zone and manually set correct date and time of your iPhone. Here manually set correct date and time of your iPhone, date as well as time. And now set automatically of your date and time zone. The next one is tap on settings again, tap on general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset again and choose reset network settings. Unlock your iPhone by using passcode or Face ID and reset network settings. This will definitely correct your date and time